Hello everyone, how you all doing? So in today's video we are going to talk about the iPhone 11 on iOS 14.15 beta 4 and should you install that update on your device or not. Let's get right in today's video, shall we? So the iOS 14.5 beta 4 is actually the closest we can get to the RC or the release because this update is almost perfect. And first of all, let me clarify that this update do not bring any new major feature or anything. This is just a speed and bug fixes improvement in this update. So let's talk about the performance of iPhone 11 on iOS 14.5 beta 4. So iOS 14.5 beta 4 on this device, the performance has been really amazing and I love this update. Trust me, the update is so stable, it is just as stable as the iOS 14.4.1. This is actually one of the most stable betas I've been on iOS 14 because actually iOS 14.2 it was the iOS 14.2, yes, if I remember, and at that time I said the same thing, that this is actually one of the best beta that you can be on. It was, I think, iOS 14.2 beta 2 maybe. I don't really remember that as much, but I remember that iOS 14.2 was really stable, the beta of iOS 14.2, and this time after a long time, after iOS 14.3, 4, 5, now 5 finally is really stable, and I can say even if your primary device is iPhone 11, you can go ahead and install iOS 14.5 beta 4 on your device if you want to. Now talking about the battery life on my device after installing this update, I have been using this device only this device as my primary device for a while now, and now I'm switching back to the iPhone 7 because I'm working on my iPhone 7 review at the time I'm editing this video right now. So iPhone 7 review will be up really soon, so watch out for that. And yes, my primary device is still iPhone 12, so don't just rush into comments and saying that you traded your iPhone 12 or whatever. I'm still using my iPhone 12. It's just that whenever Apple drops an update, I switch sims to iPhone 11, 10, 7 and all. You know the drill, right? Talking about the build number is 18E5178A. So look at the A at the end. So the A at the end says that this is actually the closest we can get to the final release. So I think iOS 14.5 beta 4 is one of the last betas we are going to see before the RC or the public release, if I can just say it. GM or RC, both of these things are the same. RC is release candidate and GM is gold master, but Apple stopped saying it gold master. Now Apple is saying it release candidate RC. So if I'm going to make a video on iOS 14.5 RC, it means it is the closest we can get to final release. So yes, talking about the final verdict, should you install iOS 14.5 beta 4 on your iPhone 11, or should you wait for the RC, or you should wait for the final release? So my answer is install the iOS 14.5 beta 4 if you are thinking about installing a beta of iOS 14.5 on your iPhone 11 and it's been a long time. It's almost the time of final release and RCs, and you are still thinking about upgrading your device to iOS 14.5 and you want that some of new security features and all. So I would say go ahead and update your device to this firmware. This is one of the most stable betas I've ever been in a while on iOS 14. So if you are thinking about upgrading your primary device to this firmware, I would say go ahead and do it. And obviously I would still recommend people who got a lot of data on their device to just take a backup of their device on iTunes, then update to this firmware, because obviously we know betas are stable and all, but still we have to look after our data because data is everything. So back up your data, then install the beta 4 because I actually do not even recommend people to install betas on the primary device, but this time I'm saying go ahead and update your device to this beta because this is one of the stable betas I've ever been in a while. So peace out, and I'll meet you all in the very next episode. If you do find this video helpful, consider dropping a like, subscribe to this channel for more tech info, and peace out, and I'll meet you all in the very next episode.